Hey, what's up guys? If you're new and you want to actually make $100 a day with Clickbank, you definitely want to pay attention to this entire video. You can see that I'm actually in my Clickbank account right now and I'm generating $100 per day like clockwork. I'll go ahead and refresh a few times just so you guys see that this income is actually real. And in this video today, I'm actually going to give you the 2 products that you must be promoting on Clickbank. If you're in the affiliate marketing, make money online niche, there's 2 products that you can promote to start generating $100 per day. I'm not even going to make you guess. I'm just going to tell you what they are and why you should be promoting them. Starting right now. What's up guys? My name is John McNeil, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, I want to welcome you here. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing, making money online, as well as entrepreneurship. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel, click the notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. So again, guys, in this video today, I'm going to actually be showing you the 2 products, the 2 must promote products that you want to have in your portfolio if you want to start generating $100 per day with your Clickbank campaigns. And again, I'm going to tell you what they are and why you should be promoting them. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right guys, so the first product that is going to be able to help you generate $100 per day, and these products are on Clickbank. So let me first actually show you guys the marketplace. So as you can see here, I'm in the marketplace here, and I'm just gonna go over to e-business in the e-marketing category. And what this category is about is basically like online business, affiliate marketing, making money online type digital products. You can see like Clickbank University in here. And what you want to look at is this is already sorted by popularity and products that are popular and that are already making money. So as you can see, third down here is the 12-minute affiliate system. So this is one of the products that has consistently generated me income for like the past year. And you can see here, 12-minute affiliate, it gives you an average of $89 per sale. And then look at the gravity score on here. The gravity is 239. So that means at least 239 affiliates have generated sales with this system. So it's making a lot of money. And I'm going to show you why in a second. The next product that you should absolutely be promoting if you want to do the affiliate marketing, make money online space products is My Online Startup. You can see it says it's a private affiliate program. The average sale is $124. And then this has a gravity score at this moment of 88. So again, many people are making sales with this actual program, and this is a program that I'm actually making consistent $100 days with in my affiliate marketing business. So now that you actually know the 2 products that you should be promoting, let me go ahead and explain to you why you should be promoting those. So let's go ahead and jump right into 12-minute affiliate first. So what you actually want to look for when you're actually looking for an affiliate marketing product is a couple things. So number 1, you want to be able to build your list with a high converting squeeze page. You want to be able to rely on other people's training and value, because if you're new and you don't know how to train people, you don't know how to create videos, and you don't even know how to give value to your market space, you have to rely on other people that have kind of done this and kind of been there, done that, and have laid out this groundwork for you. So you want to look for high converting squeeze pages that are going to be able to build your list, right? You want to look for training. You want to look for support. You want to look for value, right? You want to make sure that the products, the services, everything that they're offering the audience is really good and really quality. The other thing that is highly important is a follow-up message sequence that's going to help you sell the product, as well as an array of affiliate products, not just one, but you want to sell multiple products, because again, Not everybody is going to buy the one product that you want to sell, but if there's different offerings in the actual follow-up sequence, you can actually make additional commissions with different products, different services. So right now I'm in the back office of 12-Minute Affiliate, and basically you can actually purchase all three niches here. It has a kind of a home business niche, a weight loss niche, and a personal development niche. So if you're interested in weight loss or personal development, you can actually purchase those niches. But here in the kind of the home business, make money online niche, you have different squeeze pages. And what I like about this particular program is you could be a brand spanking newbie and you don't have to do any coding and you don't have to create your squeeze pages. All of the opt-in pages and squeeze pages here are already done for you, right? So literally you just grab your affiliate link, you attach it to your autoresponder, and they show you all the training, and they'll actually do it for you if you want the done for you set up. And then you basically have a business in a box. You have the squeeze pages that are already done for you. There's multiple squeeze pages, and then there's training that they're going to get within the 12-Minute Affiliate product, and it shows you how to, become an affiliate. It shows you how to sell products as an affiliate, and there's tons of support. There's a Facebook group, and there's training, right? And so we talked about the follow-up email sequence. So with 12-Minute Affiliate, if I pop over to my Aweber, you can see here, 12-Minute Affiliate home business category. This has a robust follow-up system. I mean, look at all these emails, right? So when people opt into those done for you squeeze pages, that's building my list, they're then going to my autoresponder sequence where they're going to be getting all of these emails, right? Now, these emails not only sell 12-Minute Affiliate, but they also sell other Clickbank products as well as other services. Now, let me give you an example. So a couple weeks ago, I actually made a Clickbank sale, and you can see it here. So the vendor says J1R2C. So this basically is the John Crestani Super Affiliate System product, right? And you didn't see me promote that. I didn't promote that to my list, and nor did I make a video about it on YouTube to promote that. But you can see here, you can kind of see that where I made a sale for $182 with that product. But the reason why I was able to make that sale is because of the follow-ups, right? So that's like true passive income that I didn't even have to put out any energy. I didn't have to do any special promotions for. It's just in the follow-ups. And here I am, made nearly $200 in a day because of the email follow-up sequence. That is super duper powerful. And most systems, most products don't give you these different components. They give you bits and pieces of each, but a lot of times you don't get products that will give you the whole kit and caboodle at one time. So that's 12-Minute Affiliate, and I'll have the links to these two products in the description in this video if you guys want to check it out. So you can just go down into the description and check these products out. The next one again is My Online Startup, which is a whole robust affiliate marketing platform, and it literally teaches people how to become an affiliate marketer, how to become an authority super affiliate in their space, regardless if you wanted to sell Clickbank products or sell other private affiliate products. And basically you can basically invite people in and give them free training, and they get this training, they get blog training, they can get a free blog, and it's just all this immense value, right? And you get a high converting squeeze page. So here's an example of one of the squeeze pages you'll get. So that's a high converting squeeze page that's getting a ton of opt-ins, and people basically will be able to come in here and they'll be able to get this free training and learn how to be an affiliate marketer. And again, just like 12-Minute Affiliate, My Online Startup also has a follow-up sequence, right? And it's robust and it's really good, and it's selling all sorts of products between Clickbank and private affiliate networks and services. I can't tell you how many other sales that I've made by, you know, promoting these two products, because I've made ClickFunnels sales and Get Response sales and ClickMagick sales and Wealthy Affiliate sales. I mean, I've made just a variety of sales, and you can see here, this is my online startup follow-up sequence. And I mean, you have email after email after email after email after email. And even if you have your own products that you personally want to sell, say there's something in here that you want to take out and you want to insert like your own product or your own business opportunity or whatever you want it to do, is all you have to do is just click on the email and adjust it, swipe out the link, and you can do whatever you want. So I've actually done that myself. There's been some products that I've been wanting to swap out, so I'll put in my own little products, right? So it's really a cool thing, and this is all done for you and it's set up for you, and it just makes money on autopilot. So not only, you know, am I able to make $100 a day with Clickbank, but then I'm making all of these little micro payments all over the place, right? So you're just making way more than just $100 per day. You're making a lot more, but it starts with that core system that can help you build out your affiliate marketing business. So again, remember, systems, you need to look for a high converting squeeze page. You need to look for good training, good value, good quality, good support. And you want to look for a robust email follow-up sequence where there's a nurturing component to it, where you're not just selling, but there's some nurturing, there's some training, there's some value being given, and then you also sprinkle in the sales, and that's really the key to all of this. And again, you as the newbie don't have to figure it out. You don't have to figure it out. All you have to do is plug into the system. I'm giving you the proof. I don't know what else to do, but you know, hand it to you on a silver platter. I'm telling you, I'm showing you. And so this is what you can do. And it's not just me. You guys see it on Clickbank here, where, you know, you have the gravity score. So it's not just John telling you this, right? There's so many other people. There's 239 other people making sales with 12-minute affiliate. There's 88 other people, and I think that dropped a little bit, but there's 88 other people in my online startup that are making sales. So it's not just John, right? I'm not just telling you this. This is reality. This is facts, right? So I hope that makes sense, guys. I just wanted to make a quick video just to pop in here and make sure that you hone in on those things that are key and important to you building your online business, because a lot of products and a lot of systems will nitpick little things here and there, but they won't give you the whole kit and caboodle. With these two products, you get it. I'll have a link in the description. Make sure you guys check it out and get started today. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.